Hello all, welcome to our channel. So this topic regarding how to increase your business calls from your Facebook option. First of all, you make one video recording, first of all important by using Canva. What are the options you have? Make the video first option. Select your Facebook business page, which video you can represent of the call button option. There will be select your video on your particular desktop option. So after uploading video, what are the content you will update here? The update will be your particular option. After that, video attachment by using get call option. Add your particular phone number. In this particular Facebook page is a mainly reset neurotherapy. If anybody facing problem for back pain, neck pain, knee pain, piles problem, joint pain, diabetes, you can contact to reset neurotherapy 7396 150. In this particular business, for call getting purpose, we have to create a post will be along with call option by using video. Image options are acceptable and video also will be acceptable. Click for post it. After posting, it is you are adding for WhatsApp button or call button. I'm looking for call button. Click for not now for WhatsApp button. After several times, like less than minute or 50 seconds or 20 seconds, the post should be uploaded on your Facebook business page. So if anybody looking for your Facebook business page option, immediately they call your particular business. So those business will easily get the call on your particular business option. So that is represent your call button to your particular business. So right now I'm added here. Give me certain seconds. The call button visible by the along with particular video will be here. So anyone click the call button will be shown to the particular audience. This is the mainly we can follow along with the image or post. Compulsory follow it and update on your particular post on your Facebook option. This is the getting calls on your business by using call button option. If any further question, please contact our channel and definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.